Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to sign up on Crypto.com. First, download the Crypto.com app from your mobile device's app store. Once installed, open the app and begin the registration process. You will need to enter your email address and create a strong, unique password. After submitting, check your inbox for a verification email. Click the link inside to confirm your email address and proceed to the next step of setting up your account. Next, you will complete the identity verification process, also known as KYC, which is crucial for security and regulatory compliance. You will be asked to provide your full legal name, date of birth, and residential address. Then, upload a clear image of a valid government-issued identification document, such as a driver's license or passport. Finally, complete a quick facial recognition scan to securely confirm your identity. This process typically takes only a few minutes. Once your identity is verified, it's time to add a funding method to your Crypto.com account. You have several options available. You can link a bank account by providing your routing and account numbers, which allows for larger transfers. Alternatively, connect a debit or credit card for instant purchases, though transaction limits may apply. Setting up a fiat wallet also provides a convenient way to deposit and withdraw traditional currencies. With your account funded, you are ready to make your first cryptocurrency purchase. Navigate to the Buy section within the app and choose from hundreds of available cryptocurrencies. Enter the exact amount you wish to buy, review the transaction details carefully, and confirm your purchase. For enhanced security, always enable two-factor authentication on your account. This adds a critical second layer of protection against unauthorized access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.